Okay, so we made adding and subtracting fractions easy, right? Well, you're going to thank me for this one. All right. Now, it's not really my fault. I didn't make it this way. But multiplying and dividing fractions, probably the two easiest operations to do in fractions of all mathdom. Mathdom, yes. All of the math kingdom. So watch as I show you how to do this, and you can be like, there's no way it's that easy. Yes, it is. Lucky for us, multiplying and dividing fractions is one of the easiest things to do in math because it's straightforward. There are no tricks about having the like denominators or whatever like that. It's simply going straight across. Of course, division does have an extra step, which you're going to find out in a little bit. So the first thing we're going to do is simple. Look at the problem. It's multiplication. Oh, all we got to do is multiply straight across. So 2 times 4 is what? 8. 3 times 5 is what? 15. Ta-da! You're done. What? It can't be that easy. Yes, it's that easy. It really is. All right. So multiplying fractions, so simple. Easiest one out of all 4 of the operations to do: adding, subtracting, multiplying, dividing. Okay, now let's do division. Folks, division is just as easy as multiplication, except for one extra step. And this extra step is introduced into these 3 letters: keep, change, flip. The KCF. All right, let me show you how keep, change, flip works. It's really easy. To divide fractions, you're going to keep the first fraction. So the first fraction is 6 over 7. We're going to rewrite that down here. Then you're going to change the sign from division to multiplication. And then you're going to flip the last fraction, 4 over 3. Keep the first fraction, change the sign to multiplication, flip the last fraction, KCF. What does that give us? Again, now we go back to the top like we did, and we're going to multiply the fractions. 6 times 4 is 24. 7 times 3 is 21. And we're done. Well, not really. Why? This is reducible. Yes, 24 and 21 are both part of whose times tables? Yes, the 3 times table. So we're going to divide both the top and the bottom by 3 to get the reduced form of this fraction. Please, guys, get into the practice of doing that because your teachers are going to want it, and so are standardized tests. 24 divided by 3 is 8, and 21 divided by 3 is 7. The final product is 8 over 7. This is an improper fraction, but let's leave it the way it is because improper fractions is coming up next. Was that not easy? I bet it was. Remember, your multiplication tables are key. They are key in knowing how to do any of this math stuff that we're doing right here in algebra. So remember, learn your multiplication tables. If you need extra practice in multiplication, please go to this website, timetables.com. I'm sorry, with an S. Timestables.com. That's timestables.com. It's a free site. You can go there and register for free or log in for free and make an account, and that's advisable to do because then your child can track their progress in learning the multiplication tables. It has speed tests so they can work on their speed and their accuracy in knowing their multiplication tables. And I'm telling you, if they learn their multiplication tables, all the stuff that I'm teaching in these videos just becomes that much easier. Just a tip from EBO. All right, let's learn about improper fractions now. Go to that next video.